This class, you get to do stuff, you get to make stuff. And to me, that's just pure joy. They got teachers with a lot of experience. They're patient. And to me, I think they're some of the best teachers I've run across in my career.
The students is what makes it me wanting to wake up and come here every day.
I really enjoy watching somebody learn a new skill. When somebody learns a new skill, it's going to change their life, and it's going to change the lives of countless people that they're going to teach.
And they really want you to make sure you understand it before you move on to the next iteration of the class. For instance, like we stayed on manual mills for a while just to get like the idea behind it and what it does. And
it kind of gets our feet dipped into pretty much everything: surface grinding, turning, milling.
Or we call it muscle memory, repeating the same process every time.
And we had a healthy respect for the machines, but we were also taught to kind of teach each other. If we feel like we can teach each other something, we'll go ahead and do it. And it's kind of helped form like a really good social aspect to the shop here too.
We have a big variety of different people that take our program. One of the things that keeps me up at night sometimes is I want to place the right student with the right employer.
It's a place that I retooled my life, and it means a lot to me. I can't even say it. But this is what we give to everybody else. And what we have is incredible. The people we work with is incredible. One day my wife said to me, "You are always happy when you come home from work." And I thought about it. And you know what? This is like heaven in my mind, because we make stuff, we're productive, we're always busy, and we get to teach other people how to do that too.